This is Ralph from Inspire Property Experts. Short video on investment properties. We had a lot of questions, more questions than before, on what makes a good investment. Inflation is sky high. People who want to preserve their capital through investing in a property rather than having money on the bank account or in stock or in bonds. What makes a good investment property? We advise people on investments in Spain, but we also do investments ourselves. So a few examples, and we put a link here to an example of a good investment property. It's a combination of, you need to think long term. It's a combination of good property features, good location, a great price, and high potential returns. Now, location impacts the demand of your tenants in the future, so we know which parts are good. This property that we show below is located in Poble Sec, a very central part of Barcelona, very nice, lively neighborhood. Walking distance to all nice parts of the city. There is demand. We know from experience from managing other properties there that people like to stay there, they like to rent there for a few months or even long term. There's strong demand on the temporary, on the mid-term rental market. Price-wise, this is a very sharp selling price for this property, just a bit above 200,000 euros, and high potential returns. We have examples of other apartments in the area. You can see that these rentals go per month between 1,300 and 2,000 euros. Those are very big numbers for the purchase price, so very high ROIs. And if you were to finance such a purchase through a mortgage, your ROI goes easily above 10% net per year. That's a big number. That's extremely high for the very low risk that you have with a real estate investment. Some people say, yeah, but I can get 10% on the stock market. Well, maybe, probably not this time of the year. But the risk is obviously way higher in the stock market than for properties. Specifically in a city like Barcelona, where there is local demand and international demand, which is very good for prices long term. Again, you need to think mid-term, long term when you make an investment decision. This property, again, look at some numbers, look at the pictures. There's no agency involved here. It's a property we've bought, we've renovated, we've done the design. And when we did the design and the renovation, we thought about what future tenants want and need, because we know from experience. So it takes a lot of worries away for you. And so let's have a discussion. This is an example. I'm not saying you need to buy this, but an example of what is a good investment property. So let's have a conversation. Tell us your thoughts. If you've seen other properties that you think are good, we're happy to take a look at them and give you our opinion. If we think they're good investments, if we would buy them as an investment, because that's also a good reference point for you. Look at, again, the combination of tenants, long-term value, location, property features, and great price, and the high potential rental income and the low risk. So take a look at the numbers, at the pictures, everything, and let's have a conversation about your investments.